So loud, bruh. It got louder when I started fixing it. Fuck. That sound like it could be a bearing on the pulley. Fuck my life. What's up, everybody? It's me, your boy Savon Mc, and don't mind my head, it's terrible. But yeah, it's been a few weeks, and what this video is about is me putting my new belt on, because my car was squeaking like crazy, obviously, and yeah, that's what it's about. I'm just putting my new belt on, so enjoy.
Fuck a middleman, I don't wanna sleep while I'm on the Zen. For my ladies playing back with the Draco in the cut, knowing I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm from the south with the ice in my mouth, like a hooker pucker. Relevant niggas get wet with that AR or the pump. Put the skip down, put the ski mask down on Trump. No. Hey, loaded shit. After the clippers hitting straight up butter rim. Tupac the clipper, apocalypse of butter brim. I know my niggas mad like the soldier son. We gotta get it up and out up in the bin. I done bossed up, bitch, took a loss, little bitch. Found myself to hit a lick. I ain't worried about a bitch, fuck worrying about my ex. I'm just thinking about what's next. You can catch me in a jet, don't mean to intercept. They ain't got no gas like Tesla. Niggas ain't blowing on no fucking pressure. Heard that nigga won't smoke, he don't want that pressure.
Alrighty, after a long day, finally got the belt off, power steering belt. So now I'm about to see if it still squeaks. Turn the car back on, no squeaking. So that either means two things. It either means I need a new pulley, new power steering pulley, or less or more tension. I need to adjust the tension or whatever. What's up, guys? It is 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Just getting out of my bed, so sorry if I sound a little sluggish, but ooh, don't mind that. Gotta fix that little thing in the ceiling, but yeah. About to go to AutoZone, get this pulley from my car. Go see if I can get a pulley and a belt, and yep. So let's get this day started. Alrighty, I don't remember if I recorded it or not, but this belt right here, I took it off last night because it was squeaking. Just took it off to test the pulleys, and I don't know exactly what I was testing, so I believe I took the belt off for no reason. But then again, you never really do anything for no reason. So what I'm gonna do now is take this belt off again. I'm gonna try to tighten this because it's a little bit of play right here. I don't know if that's supposed to do that or not, but I don't think it is. So I'm gonna take this off, try to tighten it right here. I would try to tighten it with it on there, but car guys know you can't do that. So take this bolt off right here. After I take this belt off again and try to tighten it up and put it back on and see if it's still squeaking. If it is, then my cheap ass is just gonna have to go to AutoZone or wherever and get some more pulleys and probably a new belt as well. All right. Okay, so this was taking hella long. Still ain't got nowhere. So I'm gonna go get a better tool to help me out, me and my back, cause I'm killing my back over here trying to get this shit off. So yep. Woo! Okay. Took a little minute, but finally got the belt back off. A little dirty in there. I think I know what that's from. But yeah, so the belt is off again. Now, let's see, what's my next move? I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to tighten this up some more.
My car's too special, my house too big, so dies be stretched. And I live there by myself, me and a lot of weapons, money to buy what up, so run about a lot of pretend.